Hey guys, in this video I'll be going over the tweak weather icon. So if you have a look at the weather icon, it's right next to the maps icon, it's just right there. You'll see that it's not the stock weather icon. Now that's because I've got the tweak applied. What it does is it takes the latest weather conditions and it'll actually make that your icon. So instead of having to open the weather app, it'll just show you the weather right there. So it's definitely a very useful tweak. So you see if I go into the weather icon, it reports the time here in, the weather here in Newcastle, the temperature is 14 degrees. Now if I go over to weather, it says it's 12 degrees, but I'll show you why it's saying that in a minute. So during the day, it'll be light blue, the icon color, and during the night it'll be kind of purple, and at sometimes it'll show certain icons, like if it's cloudy, it'll show a cloud icon. If it's sunny, it'll show a sun icon, and so on and so forth. So if I go here into the settings, you can see I've got the weather icon settings here. You can enable and disable it. If I go into the settings here, you can refresh it every so often. And now the wind chill. The wind chill, if you don't know, what the weather app reports is what the actual weather temperature is, but if there's ever like a breeze, it'll actually make it feel like it's a bit colder than that. So the weather app says it's 14 degrees, but the weather icon accounts for wind chill and it changes it to 12 degrees. So yeah, quite cold. And over here you can also override it to use a custom location of your choosing. Now if we go here, you can either enable or disable the image, or whether you want it to show a badge. And you could even tell it to theme a different icon. So maybe if you don't want it to theme the weather icon, say if you hate the clock icon, and you just want it to show the weather instead of a clock, then you can just make your clock icon show the weather. Over here you can go to the status bar settings. You can see it can show an image on the status bar, or show the current temperature. And there's also a donate button there if you really like the developers. So that's the weather icon Cydia tweak. You can get it from Cydia, from one of the default repos. Just go to Cydia, hit the search tab, and search for weather space icon. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe.